Career planning as a concept is a lifelong process, and it involves three aspects. One is knowing one's unique interests and aptitude. The second is understanding the world of work and the various options that are available for us to take up a career. And the third is, with knowledge about these two, how is it that we can make connections and plan to get into careers by choice and not by chance. The reason why I said this is a lifelong process is because of the fact that we come across several points in life, we come to crossroads. For example, all of you who are here are in 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. At class 10, you have to choose what elective you have to take. So that's a crossroad. At class 12, when you finish school and get into college, you need to look at what kind of course you need to pursue in your undergraduation. So that's a crossroad. Once you finish your studies, you need to get into a job. So what kind of company, what kind of job, what kind of role? That's a crossroad. And once you get into a job, you look at, is this the right job or should I be doing some other job? So again, you get into. So at every one of these crossroads, we need to make choices. And what we have tried to do through CareerWise as a service, which we started after some research about 8 years back in India, is to try and provide a scientific method by which the student gets to understand, the school student gets to understand what his or her unique interest profile is. We are not here talking about abilities, because abilities are something that you can always get trained and coached upon. But intrinsically, some of us are interested in certain things, some of us are not interested in certain things. And research on career worldwide has proved that interests are fairly stable over long periods of time. And if you do have an interest in a particular field, then the chances are that if you pursue a career in that field, you would be more satisfied, you would be more involved, and therefore you would be more successful. So this basically is the concept of the career planning service called CareerWise that we have been offering. And over the last 7-8 years, we've offered it across the country because this is a web-based service.